Good morning, all of you. Today we are discussing about coordination chemistry continuation, that is CFT in tetrahedral complexes, CFT in octahedral complexes already మనం discuss చేసుకున్నాం. Now we discuss about CFT in tetrahedral complexes. Tetrahedral complexes. Tetrahedral complex. Tetra means 4. Tetrahedral complexes means, first of all, what are tetrahedral complexes? Tetrahedral complexes means simple. The metal is surrounded by 4 ligands at adjacent positions. These are the tetrahedral complexes. The tetrahedral complexes crystal field splitting pattern ela untundi check chestundi. So the crystal field splitting pattern of tetrahedral complexes same as this in octahedral complexes. Simple difference. So the metal, first of all, the metal d orbitals are 5 d orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The naming dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, then dz square. These are the metal d orbitals. All metal d orbitals are degenerate orbitals. That means equal energy having d orbitals. All d orbitals are metal d orbitals, degenerate orbitals. ఎప్పుడైతే ligands approach అవుతున్నాయో metal d orbitals ఈ ligands, individual ligands ఎప్పుడైతే approach అవుతున్నాయో ఈ metal d orbitals are go to excited state. All 5 d orbitals go to excited state. That means dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. At the step 2, this one is step 2, this one is step 1. Step 1. Due to the repulsions between these 5 orbitals, because of ligands approach అవుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి, due to the repulsions between all the 5 orbitals splits into 2 set of orbitals. 2 orbitals gets lower energy, 3 orbitals gets higher energy. These 2 orbitals naming dx square minus y square, here dz square, here dxy, dyz, dzx. This is the splitting pattern of tetrahedral complex. Exactly same as step 1, step 2, but step 3 different. What is the difference between the octahedral complexes and tetrahedral? There is a simple difference. Octahedral complexes, so these 3 orbitals are gets lower energy. These 2 orbitals gets higher energy. But in case of tetrahedral complexes, these 2 orbitals gets lower energy. These 3 orbitals are higher energy. This is the simple difference. Step 1, step 2 both are same, but step 3 simple difference. This is the energy barrier. The energy 0.4 delta T. Here minus 0.6 delta T. Minus 0.6 delta T. Once again I repeat. The metal d orbitals, all metal d orbitals are degenerate orbitals. When individual ligands are approaches to the metal d orbitals go to excited state, Go to excited state. This is the step 2. Due to the repulsions between all the d orbitals, splits into two set of orbitals. Two orbitals gets lower energy, three orbitals gets higher energy. These two orbitals naming E set of orbitals, these three orbitals naming T set of orbitals, not G. T set of orbital and E set of orbitals. This is the step. This is the splitting pattern of tetrahedral complexes. Next goes to arrangement of electrons and CFSE, crystal field stabilization energy, in tetrahedral complexes under strong field ligand. Now there are four columns. Number of electrons is the first column. Then arrangement of electrons in second column. Then CFSE value in presence of delta T, fourth third column. Then number of unpaired electrons. Last. There are four columns. Arrangement of electrons. There are two set of orbitals, E set of orbital and T set of orbitals. In each set of orbital, two columns are there. E set of orbital, T set of orbitals, three columns because of d x square minus y square, d z square, d x y, y z, and z x. Now fill up the electrons. The first electron goes to E set of orbital. The CFSE value of this electron, how much? E set of orbital కాబట్టి ఎంత ఉంటుంది? Plus 0.6 ఉంటుంది. So 1 into plus 0.6, that equal to plus 0.6 delta T. The total number of electrons only 1. First electron ikkada 0.6 value. Then the second electron goes to E set of orbital. Same, 2 into 0.6, that equal to 1.2 delta T. The total number of electrons are 2. Sorry, minus value is 0.6 to minus value, minus 0.6. So here minus. The third electron, because of strong field electron, 1, 2. ikkade fill up. Next electron ikkade fill up. So 3 into minus 0.6, that equal to minus 1.8 delta T. The total number of electrons only 1 electron. Then fourth electron, 1, 2, 3, then 4. 4 in only E set of orbitals. So 4 into minus 6 minus 0.6, that equal to minus 2.4 delta T. The total number of unpairs only 0. Then fifth electron, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. Fifth electron enter into the P set of orbitals. So 4 into minus 0.6 plus 1 into 0.4, that equal to 2.4 minus 2.0 delta T, that equals total number of electrons only 1. The sixth electron 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 4 into minus 0.6 plus 2 into 0.4, that equal to minus 4 into 6, 2.5, 2 into 4, 8. So 2.4 minus 1.8 delta T. Total number of unpairs only 2 unpairs. The seventh electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 electrons minus 0.6 plus 3 electrons in T set of orbital 0.4. 4 into 6 minus 2.4, 3 into 4 1. So minus 1.2 delta T. The total unpairs 3 unpairs. Then 8th electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 4 in minus 0.6 plus here also 4, 0.4. 4 into 6, 2.4, 4 into 4, 1.6. So, minus 0.8 delta T. The total number of electrons only 2 electrons. Here the 9th electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 4 into minus 0.6 plus 5 into 0.4, that equal to 2.1, 2.0. So minus 0.4 delta T. Total number of unpairs only 1 ampere. The 10th electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 4 into minus 0.6 plus 6 into 0.4. 2.4, here 2.5. So total 0 delta T and total number of amperes only 0. This is the arrangement of electrons and CFSE, crystal field stabilization energy under the strong field line. Strong field line కాబట్టి electrons అన్ని ఈ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ ఫిల్ అయిన తర్వాతనే టీ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ కి ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది. ఇంకొక చేంజ్ చూడండి 0.6 కి ఎప్పుడు కూడా మైనస్ వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తున్నాం. ఆక్టైడల్ కాంప్లెక్సెస్ లో 0.6 కి ప్లస్ వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చాం. ఇది splitting pattern of tetrahedral complexes under Stonefield ligand. Next, ఇప్పుడు weak field ligand తీసుకుందాం. weak field ligand వచ్చి చూడండి సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇక్కడే జంప్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సో total same. Second electron also same. All are same. But third electron ఇక్కడ జంప్ అయి ఉంటుంది. Third electron ఇక్కడ. ఇక్కడే ఫిల్ అప్ అవ్వు. స్ట్రాంగ్ ఫిల్ ligand third electron ఇక్కడే జంప్ అయింది. But third electron enter into the T. So ఎలా రాస్తాం చూడండి. 2 into minus 0.6 plus 1 into 0.4. 2 into 6, 1.2. 1 into 4, 0.4. So, value minus 0.8 delta T. The total number of unpairs is 3 atoms. The fourth electron 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth electron, so 2 into minus 0.6 plus 2 into plus 0.4, that equal to 2 into 0.6, how much? Minus 1.2. 2 into 4, 0.8. So minus 0.4 delta T. The total number of electrons, unpair of electrons, 4. Fifth electron 1, 2, 3, 4 into 2. 2 are 0.6 plus 3 into 0.4. 2 into 6 minus 1.2. 3 into 4 plus 1.2. So total 0. Total number of electrons 5. Next, 6th electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. 3 electrons. 1, 2, 3. Minus 0.6 plus 3 into 0.4. 3 into minus 0.6, so minus 1.8. Here, 3 into 4, 1.2. So, minus 0.6 delta T. Minus 1.2, 8. 3 into 4 plus 1.2. So, total number of electrons 4 ampere. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, okay, 4 into minus 0.6 plus number of 6th electron. 3 into plus 0.4, that equal to 4 into 6, 2.4, 3 into 4, 1. So, minus 1.2 delta T. The total ampere of electrons 3 ampere. Next 8th electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 into minus 0.6 plus 4 into 0.4. 4 into 6, 2.4. 4 into 4, 1.6. So minus 0.8 delta T, that equal to total number of amperes only 2 amperes. 9th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 into minus 0.6 plus 5 into 0.4. 2.4, 2.5. So minus 0.4 delta T. Total amperes only 1. 10th electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 into minus 0.6 plus 6 into 0.4, that equal to total 0 delta T. The total number of amperes 0. This is the arrangement of electrons and CFSE values in tetrahedral complexes under weak field layer. Confusing ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం క్లారిటీగా మెయింటైన్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.